Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, because I know a lot of you guys are new, I just thought I'd go ahead and share what I do on my channel. And I do a lot of cooking, cleaning, beauty related lifestyle, grocery hauls, vlogs. I do a little bit of everything because I'm pretty random, but that is just me as a person, and I just don't want to provide one type of content, even though I know that would help my channel grow even quicker, but I don't want to be somebody that I'm not, and I just like sharing everything that I do in my life with you guys. And so I do a little bit of everything here. So if you guys are interested in that kind of content, you should hit the subscribe button because I post new videos every single week. And today we are going to be doing a refrigerator clean out, wipe down, kind of like I was gonna say organizing, but I don't really have like anything fancy to organize with, so I'm just gonna clean out my fridge, wipe it down. It really needs it. It's really gross, and I haven't wiped it out in a while. And I'm also gonna be doing the freezer as well, and just kind of resituating some of my food in there because I don't really like the way everything is right now. It's kind of hard for me to find stuff, and I don't have any bins. I would have liked to have gotten like maybe some containers for the refrigerator. I think eventually I'm going to, but I don't have any right now. So we're just going to be kind of doing it old-fashioned way today and just kind of just maybe moving a couple things around, doing a little wipe down, and yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing today for you guys. But yeah, if you guys have any requests or anything that you want to see from me, you can leave down in the comment section below. And if it's something that isn't like too bizarre, I've had a couple of requests that I'm just not okay with filming, or I'm just not okay with the extreme level of detail that I've had on some requests, and I'm just kind of like, that's a little much. But like, if you guys have any requests of like, what would you like to see more, like what kind of content do you guys want to see? I really want to get back into doing some more cooking videos, so be sure to let me know down below if that is something that you guys are interested in seeing as well. I do have like all the basic like things to start and make meals with. I'm just really bad at meal planning. So I recently did a clean out of my cabinets of my kitchen. If you guys haven't seen that video, I will put it down below. But I just recently did it, and you guys seem to have liked that video. But it's kind of like a spring clean and declutter, whatever, with me, organize. So I want to do more of that type of content because spring it's a little early to be spring cleaning, but I like to just go ahead and get stuff done. So I want to be tackling my bathroom cabinets underneath the sink, and I am going to be going to Dollar Tree to be getting some containers for that. So if that is something you guys are interested in, then stay tuned because that one will be up next. So let's go ahead and get cleaning our refrigerator and get started. Let me just tell you guys really quick, it's just one of them days. I know a lot of people have days like this and I'm not the only person, but it hasn't been a very good day to film this video. Cole is sick with a cold, and he only slept for an hour, and I didn't start the video right into the hour, so right when I started cleaning, he woke up. So it's been really challenging to get this video done, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. And then I've had people calling me, I've had to take breaks. It's just taken so much time to this video, but I'm determined to finish it because that's just something that I gotta do as a person to feel sane. So once I start a project, I have to finish it. So I'm determined. We're gonna tackle the freezer now, but I wanted to show you guys. Oh, and also my camera was set in a completely different setting. So the first half of this video wasn't in the best quality, so I do apologize. But my brother come up and helped me with that because he borrowed my camera last night, and I should have asked him before I started the video. I thought it was kind of like in a weird mode, but I wasn't sure. But then halfway through I noticed that it was like taking up a lot of space on the camera, so I knew it was something was off. So I just wanted to let you guys know and be real that this has just been a hell of a filming day, and I wanted to show you guys real quick what I did in the fridge, and then we'll move on to the freezer really fast. But like I said, I have no containers in here, but the first shelf is just basically like our milk. I put the coffee creamer back there. I don't drink coffee anymore, just because I can't with my stomach problems, but I do miss coffee. But I buy the coffee creamer for my oatmeal. That's what I use that for. And then I've been switching to almond milk because my stomach's been messed up lately, and I don't know if it's dairy or if it's, I don't really know what it is, you guys. So I'm just experimenting a little bit. I think my stomach does better with the almond milk than regular milk. Cole drinks regular milk. He's the one that drinks pretty much the whole gallon, I feel like. Behind there we have some cranberry grape juice. Me and Cole really like that flavor of juice. And then this is my husband's tea that he has to have. So on this shelf, I moved some of the shelves around too, which in the process of doing so, I broke one. I'll have to show you guys, but I'm so upset about it. But I just put like the dairy stuff up here, like some eggs. We got our crock pot, like margarine back there, some sour cream, and then yogurt right here that I'm trying to eat that's got like probiotics in it. That thing is really annoying, but I'm trying to eat those right now to see how I do. And so far I've done okay when I've eaten these, so hopefully they work. And then I've also bought this because Cole likes yogurt too. Down on this shelf, I have a little bit more space now that I moved that shelf up. I've just been kind of putting like our leftover foods. So we got some vegetable soup, some leftover pizza, hamburgers, and I think chicken nuggets from McDonald's is what's in that one. And so that's just like our leftover food shelf. Down in this drawer is cheese and lunch meat, which we don't have right now. All we have is cheese right now. So that's what's in this drawer. And then down here is like the fruit slash vegetable drawer, which is not a whole lot right now because I don't have a lot of this fruits and veggies right now, which is what I'm gonna try to get more of the next time I go shopping. So yeah, that's not a very good variety, but the bottom drawer is now empty. I could use one drawer for fruits and one for veggies, but like I said, I don't have a lot right now, so I'm just gonna keep that bottom drawer empty right now. So over here, I just kind of kept this onion dip, and then I moved the minced garlic up here because it fit in there, but I would normally keep like sticks of butter up here. We put my husband's soda right here. And this is my soda. The caffeine frees are mine, and the Diet Pepsi is my husband, but these are mine too. And the Gatorades I was drinking for when we were sick. This is some freaking leftover moonshine that's really gross. I mean, actually it's really good, but I can't drink it. My husband was drinking it for New Year's. And then some more of my sodas that I need to finish off whenever I feel better. But we got condiments here, basic stuff. I tried this last night a little. I'm gonna start being a little bit more aware of stuff that I pick up, and if I can't afford it, I will get it. This wasn't much more than the regular, and this has no high fructose corn syrup or whatever that's really bad for you. And this is really good because I had some last night, so That was something new that I tried. That was a little bit better for you. Then we have some salad dressings down at the bottom with some taco sauce. So that's what that shelf is. But right here, look what I did, you guys. I freaking broke the shelf. So I can't really put nothing over on the end because I'm afraid that it's gonna fall off. I hope that it does okay. I'm gonna have to either super glue it maybe or try to do something to fix it because I kept the other piece for the fridge. So far I don't know about the freezer, but I bought this at Walmart yesterday. It is disgusting. I cannot do kombucha. I can't do it, you guys. It's disgusting. It's supposed to be good for your gut health, but I cannot do it. So I'm gonna avoid it. But this is all the stuff that's getting thrown away out of the fridge. Not a whole lot. It's mainly just trash. But some food that was just been in there for really long that we didn't finish eating. I try not to waste, but sometimes we waste food. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I feel like sometimes we waste food and it just happens. I don't know. I'm gonna try to be more mindful of trying to finish up our leftovers before we cook anything else because I know that some people in the world don't have food. So I always try to keep that in mind, but I'm not perfect. So we're gonna move on to the freezer now. chicken patties that have been in there for like months, I'm talking months, you guys. Like, they are definitely nasty, so like I want to get rid of those, but I'll show you guys what I did really quick. We don't really have a lot of food in here, don't seem like to me, but we got some waffles. I stuffed like 3 French toast sticks inside of this box, ice cream sandwiches, a thing of ice cream back there, ice packs, ice cube trays right there on top. That's what I got going on. Second shelf is nothing but meat, so I finally got all the meat put in one section, which now it doesn't look organized, but at least I know like that's where all the meat's at now, because it was all like scattered throughout and I could never find nothing. So all the meat is right here. But then we got a pizza down here for right now, and then the very bottom in that tub is just like French fries, tater tots, onion rings, that kind of stuff like that. So I don't really know what kind of organization skill this is. It's kind of weird, but over here on the drawer we got vegetables, we have frozen fruits, and we have deer meat. All this is like just deer meat, so I kept all that together. So at least I know where all that is now. So, why aren't we focusing? So that is pretty much everything for the fridge organization and clean out. And this is what my trash pile looks like over here that I'm wanting to get rid of. If you guys found this video motivating and got you to clean out your fridge, or just clean out anything that maybe you need to clean out, because I know a lot of stuff gets built up in my house that's shoved away in drawers or somewhere where you can't always see it. Like, yes, my house always looks clean, but really there's stuff hidden behind things that you can't see, that like drawers, cabinets, stuff, refrigerator, stuff like that, that you don't always see, and it gets really messy that I just don't always keep up with it. So anyways, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Bye guys.